Now when you're finished editing a video on Blender, to save it into a video file, it calls rendering. And to render a file or to save a video file from Blender, we have to change a few things. So first of all is the resolution. We have to make sure this is correct. Frame rate, and it chooses automatically frame rate, but obviously we have to look at the movie and see if the frames are correct. And then output, here's the output folder, so where Blender is going to save your video files. File format, by default it's going to be PNG, but we don't want to have a video in PNG files, so we're going to change that to FFmpeg video. And the container, I'm going to choose MPEG 4. You can also choose AVI, but I'm always going for MPEG 4. The video quality, I put it on high quality. It depends if you want to place that video on your website. You could use like lossless or perceptually lossless. I'm going for high quality. And then there's the audio. By default will be no audio. So when you will render or save your video, you will have no audio. So this, I'm always choosing MP3. You can also go for AAC or AC3, but I'm always using MP3. And here's the metadata, so you can actually adjust date, frame, everything here. I'm never touching that actually. And post-processing neither. So to render it, we go to render and we just click on render animation. And when we click on that, file will open with with the movie that is rendering. It depends on your system. I'm having a 32 gigabyte RAM. It's not the fastest machine, but it goes pretty fast. Of course, this is a video from 6 minutes. When you're gonna make a video from 2 hours, it can take up to a day to render the video. It depends of how strong, how fast your system is. So that's the basics you need to know to render or save a video file to Blender from Blender.